Hey guys, today I'm checking out this really nice electric fillet knife that I received for reviewing purposes. And first of all, let me tell you, it's a quite handle unit that comes with two different blades depending on what you're gonna fillet with, which I think that it's nice. It also comes with a power cord and the proper battery. Okay, just have to unplug it and charge it, and now you can use it once again. As I've said, you get two different blades depending on what you wanna do. I'm gonna use this one because in this case I'm gonna slice up some bread, and let me tell you more about this unit. As you can see, it's quite nice. This handle is quite comfortable and it has a safety function, so you don't activate it if you don't want. Okay, as you can see, in this case I deactivated, but once that I just press it like this, I can be using it regularly. I think that it's really nice, and it's like this, I can do it and it's ready to use. Okay, so you can see it's quite small, doesn't take that much space, which I think that it's nice, and you can use it to slice up turkey, fish, bread, cheese, whatever you want. In this case I'm gonna do some bread, so let me prepare everything to test it out. Okay, so as you can see, right now I have two different pieces of bread right here. If I want to slice them, as I've said, if it has the lock function on, you just have to disengage it and just use it. As you can see, it's quite easy to use. Check that it's really nice, as you can see. It ain't a trouble. Okay, and as you can see, just like that, it's all sliced up, and I think that it's really nice because, well, once you have it ready, if you want to clean it, just press the blade release button, and just like that, you can just clean them without damaging the main unit or anything like that, which I think that it's really, really nice. You can get different types of blades depending on what you need, and overall I think that it's really, really nice. As you can see, it's quite easy to use, and I think that it's really versatile depending on the kind of situation that you could use it, and overall I like it a lot and I would really, really recommend it. See you guys.